How to more C and D drives in Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. So if you have got more than one drive in Windows 10 or 11, you can easily merge them by following this simple step. So you need to navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left and search for partitions. Then under basement you will find create and format hard disk partitions. Click on open at right side once you locate it. So disk management window will appear on your screen. Under volume you can see all your disks or drives. So currently I have only C drive. If you have more than one drive, you can see it listed below. So after that you simply need to back up the data. So before merging back up your data from the D drive, you will need to format it during the process. Then you have to delete D drive volume. In the disk management window, you will need to find the D drive, right-click on it and select Delete Volume. You can confirm it by selecting the Yes button. Now you can right-click on the C drive. And then here you will see the option of Extend Volume. Currently the option has not been appear here because I do not have more than one drive. If you have got, you will easily use the Extend Volume. Select that. After that, you need to follow the wizard, click Next and select on Allocated Space and click Next and click on Finish. By that, you will successfully merge C and D drives in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.